3, 2.
Be stopped by a slug from a 45.
We are doing a full primary cat delete on Rod's E92 M3. On top of that, we are also deleting the resonators, and he's got the axle back Megan Racing exhaust with that. So prior to this, the car sounds good, but it's a little bit quiet and muffled. Post cat delete, this should sound insane. So let's get right into it. We're gonna knock this out and give you guys some epic sound clips. So we just got the car jacked up. It's on stands and whatnot. We have the jack just there, just for an extra safety barrier. Rod's under the car. We're gonna start unbolting everything. As you guys can see, well, it's kind of hard to see, but it's a pretty intricate exhaust system. So we'll keep you updated on how this goes. Me and Marcel are trying to remove the exhaust. Marcel has actually done most of the work to give him credit. We've pretty much gotten all the bolts off. And I'm just kind of sitting here giving you guys the quick update. But Rod, Shane, and Mathen actually ran down to like an O'Reilly's because they wanted to get a set of torque sockets because none of us had those. But with any German car, you want torque sockets and torque bits. So we're just working on that. Currently unbolting the rest of the exhaust, and then when they get back, hopefully we should be able to mount the rest, and then we'll get some sound clips. Honestly, not that hard, especially if you have the torque stuff already. Like, you can knock this out pretty quickly. Shane is giving me a complimentary car wash right now, so let's go and check that out. The car is looking pretty good. Mathen's rolling up on the dirt bike right now. Man, look at those wheels, nice and gloss black. Paint's looking nice and good too. We've got the full foam cannon. Woo! My car is now looking beautiful as always. And we're about to get Marcel's car ready. We're gonna be doing a wash on this thing right here. And then Mathen, Rod, and Marcel are pretty much just finishing up, bolting up everything else. And we're gonna hear this thing, how it sounds, so can't wait. Alright gents, so we just finished up with the primary cat delete, installing the test pipes, the resonator delete, and a new X pipe on there. Essentially it's a straight pipe. The only thing that's remaining is like the secondary cats. There's a performance muffler on there because it is a Megan Axleback exhaust, but pretty much, I mean, I'd say it's straight piped. Exactly. Rod's pretty excited to hear this. I know, dude, I know. We heard it on that open, or not open header, but header back exhaust. It sounded pretty nice, but we're just putting up the metal shield that protects everything on the underside, and then we're gonna lower this thing and just get a ton of sound clips for you guys. That's coming next. First startup, we just finished the primary cat delete, lowered the car.
Oh my God! Wow!
Woo! That sounds nice. So what are your thoughts on that?
Dude, that shit sounds fucking mean, bro.
Oh,
I need to drive this.
I know, right? Seriously, dude. Guys, that sounds so good. We're gonna do some driving clips now with like full throttle, right? Like watt? Are we gonna go watt? Oh, dude. Whew. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy those sound clips, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up because my god, that car sounds incredibly insane. I had such a blast filming this video. Thank you again, Shane, for hosting this at your house. Thanks, Marcel, for pretty much doing a big chunk of the work regarding the test pipes and the cat delete on the car. And thanks, Rod and Mathen, for bringing out the M3. It was a ton of fun with everyone. Make sure to follow all these guys on Instagram. Just some really good car content on there. Really genuine car guys in the car community. And my god, was yesterday an epic video. Thank you all for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Take it easy.